in our county, we have close to about 9% prevalence of sickle cell disease from the recent evidence that we have. And majority of those who are born with sickle cell, remember it's a genetic disease, 80% of children pass on. They die before they reach 5 years. Something that can be reversed if we are able to diagnose them early and initiate them on treatment. Despite causing all this suffering, we know that provision of early medications, especially hydroxyurea, changes that course, improves quality of life, improves life expectancy, and reduces this suffering.
And so we're encouraging people to come and test, particularly young couples or people who are getting married before they start having children, so that they know their status and they know the likelihood of them getting a child with sickle cell disease.
And sickle cell is a huge burden that cannot be covered by one actor. And access to free medication is the main challenge that warriors are facing at the moment, namely hydroxyurea. However, we are optimistic with the strong collaboration that we have with the county and other partners that this gap can be addressed to ensure that warriors, they have dignity of life and they have access to free medications.
So we do hope that with all the partners who are on board on this program, we're going to be able to at least help the county government and the people of Homa Bay County have better livelihoods. The families that are struggling with the issues of financial and social cases brought about by the prevalence of sickle cell disease are going to be at least go down.
For today, we came in with drugs. We came with hydroxyurea, I came with PenV, I came with folic acid. And this is to help the warriors. When we explain to our warriors why hydroxyurea is important, it helps reshape the sickled cell, red blood cell, to come around, to make it simpler to move within the blood vessels.
We want to ensure that the government puts in a lot of efforts and resources to support us in actually enhancing advocacy. So as Homa Bay County chapter, we are candid and we are also speaking loudly that the county government of Homa Bay should embrace and put in place measures to support sickle cell warriors in terms of medication, in terms of awareness, in terms of diagnosis, and also in terms of provision of well-packaged health benefit package.
Anybody suffering sickle cell, if you leave the patient, there is the parent, there is the guardian, who, because of the financial constraint, the treatment necessities, the inadequate facilities in the advanced areas or in the underserved sub-counties, this is an opportunity for them to suffer mental health issues of a kind.